We've pulled up to the first fishing spot of the day. I've got spot lock on. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly set the boat up so that way when you catch the first fish of the day, you don't need to worry about anything else other than getting that fish in the boat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim up the motor. I'm not using it, and it's one less thing for my line to get wrapped around if I'm onto a good fish. Okay, next is the net. No, I don't think I'm definitely going to catch a fish, but I definitely want to be prepared just in case I do. How many times have you been onto a fish, you go to unpack the net, there's 4 lures stuck in it, it's tangled around a rod, and you waste time and potentially lose a fish. So I'm going to be netting my own fish today, so I'm going to put that in a spot where I can grab it out, it's not going to get tangled on anything, and somewhere that I can reach the handle as well. Okay, so next is your lip grips and your pliers. So I'm catching and releasing today. So once that fish is on the deck, I want to get the fish out of the net, the lure out of the fish's mouth, and the fish back in the water as quickly as possible. So it doesn't matter where these live on your boat, as long as they live somewhere. And they're always there when you go to get them, because when it's all panic stations and there's a fish on the deck, you don't want to be looking for these. So find a spot, you always know where they are. All right, so we've got the boat sorted. Now I'm going to get myself sorted. Now I think that there is 2 lures that will work really well here. Can't make up my mind which one I want to cast. I do have a spare rod on the boat today, so I'm just going to rig up the other rod. Then instead of cutting my lure off and re-rigging my rod every single time I change my mind, I can just grab my other rod with my other lure on it. And you know what else? The rod has somewhere to live too. So I'm going to rig this up, and then I'm going to definitely, maybe, hopefully, catch barramundi. Oh, what a beautiful, healthy little barramundi. So I guess that's a definitely today, guys. Awesome.